Hi, I'm Justin Remy, Project Manager with the Athens office for America's Home Place. Today we're at the Hill 5 Modern Farmhouse. This house has been customized to include 2,658 square feet, heated, with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. We're taking a look at the siding on this house, which for our office here in Athens, the standard option for siding is vinyl siding. This house has been upgraded to fiber cement siding. As you can see on this house, we have included a crow's feet and also cedar posts on the front porch. This was also an upgraded item from this customer. Straight lap siding would be our first level of cement siding. The straight lap siding is what you see on the front porch and above the roof on the porch, which is a standard style of siding. From there, those customers have upgraded to a board and batten siding. Board and batten would be what you see in the gable, the garage, and on the master bedroom wing of the house. This is a 4x8 sheet of smooth cement board that is then dissected by smaller strips of Mirrortech or fiber cement siding to give you the board and batten look. As far as color options on fiber cement siding, your options are pretty much limitless. Before this process was the framing phase and the dry-in phase. All you would see on this house on the exterior was the shingles, the house wrap, and the windows and doors. That is now being covered up by the fiber cement siding. Going into the next phase on the exterior would just be painting on this house, which on the exterior would take anywhere from 3 to 5 days depending on the size of the house and the type of siding. For more information, please visit americashomeplace.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.